We continue our team coverage now with a Rochester family now living in Florida, riding out that storm.
13 WHAM's Daniel Finkelstein is here with updates from them tonight. Daniel.
Yeah, good evening to both of you. I spoke with Jenn and Joe Delle. Fave. They live right on Florida's Gulf Coast, just south of Tampa, and they've been sending me videos as the storm batters their neighborhood.
We keep losing power. They've got a boil watery advisory. This is going nuts back here. This thing's like moving a little bit. It's getting a little bit more real.
Joe and Jenn Delle Fave had their upcoming plans cut short by Hurricane Helene.
We did a couple extra grocery trips. We have the water. Our house has a generator, so we're really just, hoping that we don't lose the internet at this point. I think we're going to be fine.
The Category 4 hurricane prompting a state of emergency in Tampa, many affected by a mandatory evacuation notice.
For you and your family's sake, I urge everyone in and near the path of the hurricane to listen to local officials and follow evacuation orders and when told to do so.
Video taken around the area shows the power of the storm as it approached. Here on the bridge that connects Tampa to St. Pete, waves crash over the sides, visibility severely impacted. The area expects storm surges as high as 8 feet. And on Bradenton Beach, where the Delle Faves live, the flooding begins, water from the Gulf pouring into the street. This video Joe and Jenn shared with us around 7 p.m. shows those high winds whipping the trees in their backyard, a glimpse of what's to come.
We talked to a few of the neighbors in the community, and they're like, no, we'll be fine. So they don't really plan on leaving. The streets are a little flooded in some of the lower line places already this morning.
We've last heard from Joe and Jenn around 7:15 this evening. They tell me the power is on and off, and they're now under a boil water advisory. They tell me they stocked up on supplies, planning for several days at home following the storm. Matt?